Everyone thinks the best-selling dry shampoo for dogs is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Wall Dry Skin and Itch Relief. First up is the Wall USA Dry Skin and Itch Relief Pet Shampoo. The oatmeal formula combined with a coconut lime verbena scent really caught my attention. Priced at just $6.97, it's a solid option for those looking to soothe dry skin and eliminate itching. If you want a gentle, effective solution for your dog's dry skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This shampoo is pH balanced and alcohol-free, making it safe for dogs with allergies. The oatmeal formula moisturizes dry skin while the thick lather cleans dirty coats effectively. Plus, it's highly rated with a 4.6-star average from over 42,000 reviews. That's a lot of happy pups. Now, some people complain that it doesn't lather as much as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and use a smaller amount, it works just fine. So it's really not a deal breaker unless your dog has a particularly messy coat. This is perfect for you if your dog struggles with dry skin or allergies. Skip this one if you prefer a completely scent-free option, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you needing a waterless solution. Product number 2, Bodhi Dog Waterless Shampoo. Next, we have the Bodhi Dog Waterless Shampoo priced at $17.99. What caught my eye here is the no-rinse feature, which makes it a lifesaver for dogs that hate baths. If you want a quick and easy way to freshen up your pup, this is worth a serious look. This dry shampoo is designed for those busy moments when you just can't give your dog a full bath. Just spray and wipe and you're good to go. It's made from gentle, natural ingredients, so it's safe for puppies and dogs with sensitive skin. Plus, it neutralizes odors at the source with a lovely lavender scent that lingers for days. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 5,100 reviews, many pet parents swear by it. Now, some users mention that the spray nozzle can be a bit finicky. But honestly, as long as you hold it the right way, it works just fine. So it's not a biggie unless you prefer a more straightforward application. This is perfect for you if your dog gets dirty between baths or if you travel often. Skip this one if your dog loves water and baths, but for quick cleanups, it's a great investment. Now, if the price of Bodhi Dog's shampoo bothered you, this next product is more budget-friendly. Product number 3, Burt's Bees Waterless Shampoo. The third product is Burt's Bees for Pets Waterless Shampoo, and it's priced at just $5.75. What really grabbed my attention is that it's formulated specifically for dogs with a pH balance in mind. If you want a gentle and effective dry shampoo for your pup, this is worth a serious look. This no-rinse shampoo uses natural apple and honey ingredients to refresh your dog's coat without the hassle of a full bath. It's free from harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens, making it a solid option for regular use between baths. With a 4.2-star rating from over 6,400 reviews, many owners appreciate how easy it is to use. However, some reviews noted that it might not be strong enough for really dirty dogs. Here's the thing. If your dog is just a little smelly or dirty from play, it works great. But if they've rolled in something, you might still need to give them a proper wash. This is perfect for you if you want an eco-friendly option at a low price. Skip this one if your dog often gets really dirty, but for light freshening, it's a fantastic choice. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more power in terms of cleaning, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Mighty Mutt Hypoallergenic Shampoo. Coming in at number 4 is the Mighty Mutt Hypoallergenic Waterless Shampoo, which costs $14.99. What caught my attention here is its all-natural ingredient list. If you want a safe and gentle solution for your dog, this is worth a serious look. This dry shampoo foam is made with only 4 natural ingredients, making it perfect for pups with sensitive skin. It deodorizes while cleaning without any harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about using it on your furry friend. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 3,800 reviews, it's becoming a go-to for many pet parents. Some users did mention that it can take a bit longer to dry than they expected. But I'll be real with you, if you're using it right before a walk or playtime, just give it a few minutes to settle and you'll be fine. It's not a deal breaker unless you're in a super rush. This is perfect for you if you prioritize natural ingredients and have a dog with sensitivities. Skip this one if your dog needs immediate cleaning after rolling in mud, but for gentle cleaning, it's a top choice. Now, if you're looking for something even more hydrating and convenient, the final product may be just what you need. Product number 5, Lillian Ruff Waterless Shampoo. Finally, we have the Lillian Ruff Waterless No-Rinse Dog Dry Shampoo Spray priced at $22.95. What stood out to me is its emphasis on odor elimination and hydration. If you want a premium option that cleans and conditions, this is worth a serious look. This no-rinse formula not only cleans your dog's coat, but also conditions and detangles it, which is a huge time saver for busy pet owners. It's pH balanced and contains hydrating essential oils, making it gentle on sensitive skin. Plus, with a 4.4-star rating from over 787 reviews, many pet owners love how fresh their dogs smell after use. However, a few reviews mention that the scent might be too strong for some dogs. Here's the thing though, if your dog is sensitive to smells, it might not be your best bet. But for most dogs, it's a refreshing treat. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile product that can handle dirt and odors effectively. Skip this if your dog has fragrance sensitivities, but overall, it's a high-quality option worth the investment. In conclusion, we've explored a range of dry shampoos for dogs, from Wall's affordable option to Lillian Ruff's premium choice. Each product has its strengths, so think about your specific needs and which one fits best for you and your furry friend. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic dry shampoos. Wall for itch relief, Bodhi Dog for quick cleanups, Burt's Bees for gentle refreshment, Mighty Mutt for all-natural care, and Lillian Ruff for premium conditioning. Whatever your pup needs, there's a perfect dry shampoo out there for you. Happy grooming!